It's time to unbox my second order from Thrive Market. This is my first frozen box, so I'm so excited to show you what I chose. Make sure to tap my link and you'll be able to receive 30% off your first order as well as a free gift. Let's open this. They have it packed so nicely as well. So first up, I have organic Rocky Mountain sourdough English muffins. That's crazy because I was literally just in Colorado. I was literally just in Boulder. This is like deja vu. Some pitas. So these are soft and chewy 5 pitas. I thought that this would be really fun for breakfast. So I fully intend to fill my pitas with like little scrambled eggs and peppers and things like that. Zucchini hash browns. I was very excited to try this. This is by the brand Strong Roots. I have a few other products from that brand as well. So right here, sweet potato hash browns. And also mixed root vegetable fries. You know I love my chicken tenders. So these are by Applegate Naturals. They're gluten-free chicken breast tenders. That's my little treat myself meal. This is steamed brown rice. I love having brown rice to go with some other veggies and whatnot and some meat. So this is going to be great. I'm really excited to have that. Organic spinach and cheese ravioli. I was feeling like I really wanted to do an Italian dish when I placed my order, so that was my choice. Dark sweet cherries. I love mixing these in with a little shake. It tastes so good. 100% grass-fed Wagyu, 100% grass-fed beef patties. Very excited for a burger. And one of my favorite meals to cook, I love getting these Banza protein crusts. They're made from chickpeas. I love adding different toppings to them. I feel like one of these is going to end up as maybe like a little margarita pizza, and the other one I was thinking like loaded with vegetables. Now that you've seen everything that arrived in my grocery order this month, stay tuned because I will be cooking some of it up and sharing my favorite snacks and recipes with you.